Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change PIN on Wise account or Wise application. So first of all, of course, you will need a Wise application on your phone. So if you don't have that, please consider go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or App Store, or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. So if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just launch my Wise application here. So as you can see, after launching your Wise application, that will be your home screen. So all you need to do is just go to your Wise account and app, or the website. Of course, we're using now the phone, so we will just go to our Wise account. As we said, you will need, of course, to verify your account. But of course, guys, if you want to change your PIN, make sure you are, or you can only change your PIN while you are in the US, which is the United States. You can't change your PIN while you are in another country. So that's not still not added on the Wise application. But if you are in the US, all you need to do after verifying your account, you will go here to your account. Of course, you will find here an option called cards. If you already verify your account by depositing and verifying your identity, then all you need to do after finding the cards, just click as manage card, and then of course you will find it in the iPhone. It's still not available for Android user as well. And then all you need to do, just click at select change PIN and you will be able to change it or change it. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching it. Goodbye.